Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Feels good. All right, coming to you a day late because I had to go see the dentist yesterday. And talking about the dentist, changed from sweet tea to hot chocolate. Finally got cool enough out there for hot chocolate.
Mine has marshmallows.
Yeah, I got you the good pack over there. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Alright, this week in the shop and projects completed. We worked on cutting some posts for post people.
Those are not post people, those are snowmen.
Snowmen, I'm sorry. We worked on cutting some posts for some snowmen.
Those are my Georgia Bulldog snowmen.
But we worked on those, got those cut and ready, and Mama's going to be making those probably this week. Is that right? We'll be working on them this week coming up. Mama kept working on her little sock people. Now these are socks.
That's a Santa.
And rice.
Uh-huh.
And this guy right here is like really, really cute right here. I like him a lot.
My penguin.
May have to keep him.
You can sit on your dash. He's right, so just sit there.
But we got a bunch of different types of these, and we're going to show you one more, and that's the baby. And that's because he's just so cute, absolutely cute. Got a little pacifier in there.
Yep.
Little baby gnome with a pacifier in there. So really, really cute stuff that Mama's been working on here. Alrighty. Lorraine also made some ornaments to hang on the tree. Some angels.
Some angels, and I've got some other ones to make too.
Yeah, so worked on that a little bit. Saturday, I didn't get to do much around the shop. I did a double Honda rescue. I had to go pick up a couple of Hondas for Uncle Mikey and go move them with the trailer, but I got that done with his son Michael, so we got that done, but that pretty much was Saturday. Sunday, Millhand Michael and I worked on, with Daniel, worked on Daniel's shed, where his new shed is going to be. Cleaned out the area, pulled down the old lean-to, and put the foundation, got the foundation all but ready. Got to do a few things, minor things with the foundation. That'll be done. We'll get the foundation a week or two to kind of get set in, and then we're going to start working on that shed. And then we cleaned up the shop this week.
Yep.
We cleaned up the
trailer
out here that Michael and I built. We cleaned up the mom cave, and we cleaned up the trailer. Did a lot of cleanup. Not completely cleaned out all of them, but we're working a little bit on each one. A lot more room, creating a bunch more room.
I got more than a squiggling path going through the mom cave.
It was getting tight. We had a path through the mom cave. We had literally a path through here after the wedding, and we had a path through the shed. Well, not even really a path through the shed. You actually had to move a bunch of stuff to make a path each time you wanted to go in there. So we got all that taken care of in the trailer. Had to unload a few things.
Had to unload the trailer and get it organized for the new show,
for the next show. For Pioneer Days on the 23rd of November, and that's over in Lincoln County in Lincolnton, Georgia. So busy as far as cleanup, but we're not getting any projects done, and we need to get to that and talk about that. Let's move on. Air conditioner's off, hot chocolate's going, man. It's good. All right, coming up for Two Dogs. Michael and I got to saw some lumber, get ready for this new show coming up in the second week of December that he and I are going to have some stuff going to. We've got to finish a bunch of projects around here, whether it's Mama's new gnomes, the ornaments, tree ornaments. We've got tables to finish up. We've got a couple of projects sitting around here. I got snowman dog water thing here that got buried and forgotten about.
It needs to go with us on the trip.
And it's literally right down here in front of us, or in front of me. And then I've got a couple of projects over here I got to do. One of them is that door that turned to a corner stand. We took the door, cut it in half, and put it together like this. Jay did a while back. And we got to put some shelves in that, and that's going to go over to the other house. So we're going to keep that.
That's in my bathroom.
Yeah, that'll be in the bathroom. We're going to try to make some wine holders. Now these wine holders are kind of been an albatross around my neck forever. I cut and did all the hard part, and all that's left
is to drill holes.
Easy stuff, easy. And I tend to do that. I get the hard part of the project that I don't generally want to do. I get it done first, so all I have to do is the easy part. And then I put the project to the side and then move on to the next project I want to do and get that hard part out of the way. So I have all the easy parts of the project to do, and that's where I'm at with the wine holders sitting over here. So I need to get to them and get to those probably this week while we're on vacation. Coming up, we're going to be on vacation a little bit.
And to your defense, I do keep stopping you to make you cut things for me so that I can do projects when you're not around.
So
I
we
do.
We do kind of swap off like that. But long story short, I got a lot of projects to do. Mama's got to finish up on some tables like we mentioned, and then a couple other little things. Alrighty, guys. Do you got anything that you got planned?
I want to finish this table in front of you because it's going.
Yep.
I have the two mid-century modern tables that have to get finished.
Yep. We got
I
the
got
table
two.
tops for these.
Yeah, already done. All I got to do is put them together.
Yeah.
I've got the two tables in the little white trailer.
Yep. Oh yeah.
That we're going to cut
those.
tops
Yeah,
for.
yeah.
We'll get those done, and that'll be enough tables to go since
Right.
most of our tables went last auction or last show,
Yeah.
and to family members who fell in love with them. So we don't have any more tables.
Those two tables in the little storage trailer are going to be nice because those are wrought iron
Right,
bases.
wrought iron
We gotta
bases,
figure out
they'll be
what we're
cool.
gonna do for wood, whether we're going to do cedar or sycamore would be pretty. We'll have those sycamore slabs because we got those.
That's
in the,
true, because they're in the kiln. Yeah,
right now. So,
and that's sycamore there,
as soon
isn't
as
it?
that young lady picks out which slab she wants, we may take two of the other ones because they're all beautiful.
Yeah,
and put
we can do
those on
that.
there.
So other than that, and little, you know, because you want to have the different amounts. You want to have little dollar items and $10 items and $5 items. So I'm trying to kind of change it up and do a bunch of different stuff other than large items. So that's what I'll be doing.
Alrighty, so that's what's upcoming for Two Dogs this week. Alright guys, let's move on. It really is good. Well, that's about it for this evening, except we'd like to throw a special congratulations out there to the Butterbean. Butterbean got on pink this week. Now, pink is really good at her school. So, Meemaw
Wore pink
today
to celebrate her staying on pink this week.
So really, really cool. We're
Very proud
you.
of her.
Very proud of you, Butterbean. Keep up the good work. Alrighty, I really do think that's about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.